Hello dear students. Welcome to today's video. We will be tackling all the questions from the Class 10th Defense Studies workbook. By the end of this video, you'll have the complete answers you need. So, let's dive in and get started. 10th Standard Defense Studies. Complete answers to all questions. Chapter 1. Activities. Question 1. Find out an NGO in your locality. Find out what work it does. Discuss it in the classroom and write a note on it. Students can write about different NGOs. Answer. In Pune, there is an NGO called Green Pune Initiative. This NGO focuses on environmental conservation and sustainability. 1. They conduct tree plantation drives across the city. 2. They promote recycling programs and waste management. 3. They organize workshops on reducing plastic usage. 4. They educate the community about the importance of ecological balance. 5. Their efforts have led to cleaner neighborhoods and increased environmental awareness among residents. This NGO plays a crucial role in enhancing environmental security by addressing ecological problems such as pollution and climate change. Question 2. Meet a political or a social leader or a government official. Find out his/her thoughts on the social or political or environmental problems faced by India. Discuss the same in the classroom and write your views on how to solve the problems mentioned by the person. Answer. I met Mr. Rajesh Patil, a local government official in Pune. He highlighted the following key environmental challenges faced by India: pollution, deforestation, and water scarcity. Mr. Patil emphasized the need for stricter environmental regulations, increased afforestation efforts, and better water management practices. He believes that public awareness and community participation are crucial for solving these issues. To address these challenges effectively, I propose 1. Strengthening environmental laws and their enforcement. 2. Promoting afforestation and protecting existing green spaces. 3. Implementing efficient water conservation strategies. 4. Educating the public about sustainable practices through awareness campaigns. These steps can contribute significantly to mitigating India's environmental problems. Chapter 2. Activities. Question 1. Write names of some of the terrorist groups that operate in Jammu and Kashmir. Can you also name the leaders of these groups? Answer. Some of the terrorist groups operating in Jammu and Kashmir include 1. Lashkar-e-Taiba, led by Hafiz Saeed. 2. Jaish-e-Mohammed, JAM, led by Masood Azhar. 3. Hizbul Mujahideen, led by Syed Salahuddin. 4. Al-Badr, led by Bhakt Zameen. Question 2. Paste a newspaper report on any terrorist attack in India and discuss it in the class. Answer. Taking reference from a hypothetical newspaper report. Newspaper headline: Terror strikes Mumbai, multiple locations targeted in coordinated attack. Report summary: on 26 November 2008, a series of coordinated terrorist attacks rocked Mumbai, targeting prominent locations including the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Oberoi Trident Hotel, and Taj Palace Hotel among others. The attacks, carried out by suspected Lashkar-e-Taiba operatives, resulted in significant casualties and widespread panic across the city. Discussion. In the classroom, we discussed the impact of such attacks on national security, the response mechanisms of law enforcement agencies, and the implications for public safety and international relations. Question 3. On the map of India, look at the Red Corridor that describes the region affected by the Naxalite militancy. Identify the districts in Maharashtra that are part of the Red Corridor. Answer. In Maharashtra, the districts that are part of the Red Corridor affected by Naxalite militancy include Gadchiroli and Gondia. Question 4. Discuss in the classroom and write a note. Can problems be resolved by peaceful means? Is it necessary to use violent means to get our demands satisfied? Answer. In the classroom discussion, we explored the effectiveness of peaceful versus violent means in resolving conflicts. While peaceful negotiations and dialogue are often preferred for their sustainable outcomes and societal harmony, there are situations where entrenched issues or injustices may necessitate more assertive actions. However, the consensus was that violent means should only be considered as a last resort due to their potential for escalating tensions and causing harm to innocent civilians. Question 5. List the examples of international terror attacks. Answer. 1. 9/11 attack, 2001, United States. 2. Bali bombings, 2005, Indonesia. 3. Paris attacks, 2015, France. 4. London Bridge attack, 2017, United Kingdom. 5. Mumbai attacks, 2008, India. Question 6. List the precautionary measures for terrorist attacks. Answer. 1. Enhanced security checks. Increase security at public places like airports, train stations, and malls. 2. Public awareness campaigns. Educate the public about recognizing and reporting suspicious activities. 3. Emergency preparedness. Develop and practice emergency response plans. 4. Technological surveillance. Use advanced technologies for monitoring and intelligence gathering. 5. Border security. Strengthen border controls to prevent infiltration. Chapter 3. Question 1. Make a list of natural and human-induced disasters caused due to human error or negligence in a tabular form. The answer is on the next slide. Question 2. Refer to the internet and see the earthquake zoning map of India. Now, take a political map of India and draw earthquake zones on that map, clearly demarcating different zones. The answer is on the next slide. Question 3. Survey your locality, including your own house, and indicate the buildings that are old, structurally weak and unsafe to live. Make 3 lists: very unsafe, partially unsafe, and safe. Answer. In my locality. Very unsafe, one building near the market, visibly deteriorated with cracks and leaning walls. Partially unsafe, several older buildings along the main road, showing signs of wear and aging. Safe, most newer constructions and buildings that have been maintained regularly. Question 4. Make a list of items that are kept in the first aid box. Answer. A standard first aid box typically contains bandages, various sizes, adhesive tape, sterile gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers like acetaminophen or ibuprofen, scissors and tweezers, thermometer, disposable gloves. Chapter 4. Question 1. Find out how the armed forces have helped the people during the following disasters. Discuss in the class and write notes on them. 1. Gujarat earthquake 2001. Areas affected: Bhuj, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Kutch, Surat, Surendranagar district, Rajkot district, Jamnagar and Jodia. Answer. Date and impact: occurred on 26 January 2001, with epicenter near Bhuj, affecting Bhuj, Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar, Kutch, Surat, Surendranagar district, Rajkot district, Jamnagar, and Jodia. Role of armed forces: conducted search and rescue operations, provided medical aid, and established temporary shelters. Infrastructure support: assisted in restoring communication lines and essential services. Two. The Indian Ocean tsunami 2004. Areas affected: parts of southern India and Andaman Nicobar Islands. Answer. Date and impact: occurred on 26 December 2004, triggered by an undersea earthquake off Sumatra, affecting southern India and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Role of armed forces: mobilized Navy and Air Force for rescue operations, evacuated stranded people, provided medical aid, and delivered relief supplies. Focus areas: restoration of essential services and infrastructure in coastal regions. Three. Uttarakhand flash floods 2013. Areas affected: Gobindaghat, Kedar Dome, Rudraprayag district, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Western Nepal. Answer. Date and impact: occurred in June 2013, affecting Gobindaghat, Kedar Dome, Rudraprayag district, Uttarkashi district, and parts of Himachal Pradesh and Western Nepal. Response actions: deployed helicopters for rescue missions, airlifted stranded individuals, set up relief camps, provided medical assistance, food, and shelter. Challenges: overcame difficult terrain and adverse weather conditions to rescue stranded pilgrims and villagers. Four. Kashmir floods 2014. Areas affected: Srinagar, Bandipur, Rajouri etc. Answer. Date and impact: occurred in September 2014, devastating Srinagar, Bandipora, Rajouri, and other areas of Jammu and Kashmir due to heavy rainfall. Armed forces actions: deployed boats and helicopters for rescue, provided medical aid, distributed relief supplies, and focused on restoring communication lines. Reconstruction support: assisted in post-flood reconstruction efforts and restoring normalcy. Chapter 5. Question 1. Search for information on Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan. Discuss these achievements in the classroom. Answer. Chandrayaan 1, 2008 first lunar mission, discovered water on the moon. Chandrayaan 2, 2019 explored the moon's south pole. Mangalyaan, 2013 Mars orbiter mission, first Asian country to reach Mars. Made India the fourth space agency to reach Mars orbit. Showcased India's space exploration capabilities. Boosted India's position in global space research. Question 2. What is GPS? What are its uses? Answer. Global Positioning System, GPS satellite-based navigation. Provides location and time information globally. Navigation for vehicles, aircraft, and ships. Mapping and surveying applications. Disaster relief and emergency services. Military operations and strategic planning. Asset and individual tracking. Integral to modern communication and logistics. Question 3. What is the importance of nuclear energy for India? Collect information about 1 or 2 nuclear power plants in India. Answer. Crucial for energy security and sustainable development. Reliable and large-scale electricity source. Kudankulam Nuclear Power Plant, largest in Tamil Nadu. Tarapur Atomic Power Station, oldest in Maharashtra. Reduces dependence on fossil fuels. Supports growing energy demands. Question 4. Collect information about cyber threats to national security. Find out the various means used to fight cyber threats. Answer. Cyber threats, hacking, data breaches, cyber espionage. Targets, government infrastructure, financial systems, military networks. Measures, robust cybersecurity policies, regular system updates. Employee training and awareness programs. Question 5. Collect pictures of missiles from newspapers and magazines and paste them below along with brief details about them. Answer is on the next slide. Type, ballistic missile. Range, varies by version. Agni-1, 700 to 1200 kilometers. Agni-2, 2000 to 3500 kilometers. Agni-3, 3000 to 5000 kilometers. Agni-4, 3500 to 4000 kilometers. Agni-5, 7000 to 8000 kilometers. Specific uses, surface to surface. Details, the Agni series is designed for long-range, nuclear-capable strikes, etc. Question 6. Collect pictures of satellite from newspapers and magazines and paste them below along with brief details about them. Answer is on the next slide. Launch date, 5th November 2013. Primary functions, space, exploration, specifically Mars, observation. Organization responsible. Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. Details, Mangalyaan was India's first interplanetary mission, making ISRO the fourth space agency to reach Mars.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video, share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.